as a professional that's younger than 35, uh, what made you want to learn more about AI?
The reason I did take the Nuity AI Master Course is because for a few reasons. One, I realized the importance of AI and that it's only getting more and more, impactful in the world, and it's becoming something that can be a part of everyday life. So I wanted to take what I already knew, the basics of what I knew, and master it.
Talk about the course. Was it easy to use? Did it help explain stuff? Were you able to, before and after, like, talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, so as far as ease of use for the course, I would say it was very, very, very easy. Like even the audiobooks, I was able to listen to them while I'm working out, listen to them while I'm driving. And while I was listening to it, I was downloading the AIs to take notes on the book as I was reading it, just because it was showing me so many different AI tools that I'm not using, that or things that I was underutilizing, such as ChatGPT and how to train that model. And before the Nuity Master course, I was, doing things like just going into ChatGPT and treating it like it was Google. But once I took the course, I learned that to get the full power of something like ChatGPT, it takes some knowledge, it takes some training of the model to get the full maximum use of AI in general.
Would you refer Nuity Master Course to your friends and families and colleagues?
I would refer Nuity Master Course to my friends and colleagues. I already have, just because just in this first day, in the a little over an hour and a half, Zoom call that we had today, it shaved 3 months of work and learning time, off of my schedule, and then helped me learn how to automate different workflows, and then show, some of my employees how to do these things and get the most out of our time. So yes, I definitely would refer and have referred already.
Let's talk about the one-on-one session. How important is the one-on-one session, and how much productivity do you get out of that one-on-one session?
I would say the one-on-one session is pivotal in a sense of, I already, like I said earlier, I use AI every day, and after reading the book, I used AI more. But after doing the one-on-one training session, I was able to see different ways to maximize the tools, use them how they're designed to be used, and figure out the perfect use case for my specific needs and wants on how I need to optimize AI to benefit my life. So I would say the one-on-one session is very important.